Want to give the prettiest wrap gifts? We're making fabric gift wraps, an eco-friendly, easy, and quick project. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways to make these. Hey y'all, I'm Withlaurenmellany, sewist, crafter, and mama to 3 littles. I make videos that help you learn new skills and find time to actually do them. So if you're new here, consider subscribing because they have a lot of good stuff coming your way. Fabric gift wrapping is a great way to level up your gift giving. I mean, like, look how cute these are. Aren't they just the most darling? Hit that like button if you'd love to get a gift that looks like this. Not only do they add a wow factor, but they can be reused over and over again for scarves. Oh, cut your hair. Okay. A napkin, a wall hanging, a piece of art. It's really up to you, but you get it. It's not just for gift wrapping. We're gonna go over 3 different ways to make them. One with a serger, another with a sewing machine, and finally with a pair of specialty scissors. So let's get started. The first technique is going to use a serger, and this is going to create a finished edge, and it's perfect for lightweight fabrics such as silk or like crepe. Cut out your fabric to the desired size. I'm going to make this a size small, so I'm measuring 17 inches by 17 inches. Line up your fabric and just start sewing. When you're at the end of the side, you're going to continue to stitch several inches past the fabric. This will give you a good tail to tuck in the seam so it doesn't unravel. And I'm going to show you a little trick that I have to lock the seam. So you're going to repeat this for each side. When you use a serger, you want to lock your thread or else it's going to unravel on you. Now I found this really handy tool, and it is the best $10 that I have spent since getting my serger, and it helps you tuck those end threads into the stitches so that it doesn't unravel. And I've linked these in the description, so grab them because I promise you that you're not going to regret it. When you're ready to lock your stitches, you'll slide the tool about an inch into the seam outward. Grab the excess thread and put into that little loop at the end, then pull through. It's going to take some finesse and practice, but it's an easy way to make sure that all of your hard work doesn't unravel before your eyes. The next technique is a double fold hem. It just uses a regular sewing machine, so it's a great option if you don't have a serger already or if you just want a cleaner edge. Again, you'll cut your fabric to your desired size. For the large size, I'm going to measure this 35 inches by 35 inches. With the right side facing down, fold your fabric half an inch from the edge and press with your iron. You'll do this for each side. Then, fold the edge half an inch again and press with an iron. Use pins to make sure that your folds stay where they need to and makes it easier whenever you sew. Set up your machine for a straight stitch. We're going to sew about 1/8 of an inch from the inside fold. Do this for each side and then you're done. The final technique we'll go over today requires no sewing at all. All you'll need is a pair of pinking shears, and I've linked these in the description below. While you may not use pinking shears very often, it does come in handy when you do need them. It's like times like these. Pinking shears are specialty scissors, and they prevent the fabric from fraying at the raw edge. So the blades here are zigzags, unlike your regular fabric shears that cut in a straight line. So grab your pinking shears, and as always, we're going to first pick out what size you want to make. I'm going to make a size medium wrap, and it's going to measure 27 inches by 27 inches. I like to make marks so that I don't cut lopsided and everything's square. I'll take my fabric pen and my ruler, and I'll just make marks every couple of inches. Then you just cut. And then you're done, and you have this really nice edge that's not going to fray on you. Now that we've talked about all 3 techniques, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. And if I'm going to be honest, it's going to be the one that I have time to accomplish. Now is the fun part. We're going to start wrapping your presents. Take your wrap and put the right side facing down. Have one of the corners facing towards you so it looks like a diamond. Put your present near the corner, and then you're just gonna cover it and maybe fold it over. Grab the opposite corner and fold it down towards your present. You may need to adjust this depending on how much fabric you have at the top. You may need to fold down again so it completely covers your gift. Grab the 2 sides and you can loosely twist them for added texture, and it also creates a tighter fit around your present. You'll tie the ends one way and then make a square knot. So tie the ends in the opposite direction. You can leave it like this, or you can add a gift tag or embellishments like dried flowers to make it even cuter. There it is. You just made beautiful, eco-friendly gift wraps. Be ready to wow your friends and family with your creative skills and your darling gifts. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun tutorials I have coming your way, and I'll catch you on the next one.